Dashy. Look at you, Dashy. Well, we're supposed to be out here on a potty break, but I think we're gonna eat the goldfish that Bubby dropped. She's still doing that. I tried doing a short, hoping. It looks like she's about got them all gone. So there's that. You found some more, didn't you? Huh? Amazon, Amazon, Amazon. Amazon swing. Yep, we're an Amazon household. We even got Amazon dog stuff. And no, I don't get paid for the Amazon stuff that I just mentioned. I just thought you might want to see some of the cool stuff Amazon has while we're waiting on Josh to go potty. Come on, Dashy. You gonna bark at something? She's sniffing. She's hoping there's more, I think. I see she missed one. See it? What you looking for, Dashy? What you looking for? Oh, she found it. Will she get this one? We shall see. She's close to it. Dashy, can you go potty? Huh? Can you go potty? Dashy, go potty? She's still finding them. Guess we dropped more than we thought, huh? Dashy. I guess it's foraging for drop snacks from Bubby Day. That's funny because it even rained on them. I don't think she cares about anything else right now. Nope, she finally spotted it.